Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete friend request on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find Friends option. Tap on it. Now tap on the Request option. To delete friend request on hi5, just tap on the cross icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.